This is computer. A computer is a machine that works using electricity. It follows our instructions. It is input and output devices. Now we are going to explain about input devices and output devices. This is keyboard. A keyboard has many buttons on it. It called keys. It is input device. It is monitor. A monitor looks like a television screen. It is output device. This is printer. It is used to print text or pictures on a paper. It is output device. This is scanner. The scanner is used to scan the images or documents. This is input device. This is mouse. A computer mouse looks like a real mouse. It has two buttons, one score wheel. This is input device. This is speakers. It is used to hear sounds and music. It is output device.